This video is presented by VoxPop Marketing Systems. It is an installation guide for your TopLine banner frame to display rooftop banners. This video is for double base frame models to display banners from 15 feet to 24 feet long. Here is a view of a completed installation, which is how your banner should look on your TopLine rooftop frame. Let's review the tools you will need to properly install your frame. You will need a power driver, a measuring tape, a level, two 5/16" deep socket wrenches or ratchets, an adjustable wrench, a pencil, and the written instructions included. And while it is easy for one person to install a banner on a TopLine banner frame, we highly recommend two people for the initial hardware installation. Here is an overview of the parts included with your TopLine banner frame. First, we have two longer sections of channel we call strongbacks. Next are four shorter sections of channel we call legs. Shown here are the two outside arms which will grip the banner and two center arms that support the banner in the middle. Four corner braces, a total of 16 L-shaped brackets which mount the legs to the parapet wall, a series of fastener bags for your installation, a stop assembly, a tension screw, and a lock knob. Before installing your frame, choose the best position on your rooftop for maximum visibility from the street. Based on the length of the banners you will be displaying, make marks on the parapet wall, for example 20 feet apart if your banners are 20 feet long. The first step in the installation process is to attach the brackets to the legs. Lay out a leg with four of the L-shaped brackets as shown here. Attach them to the leg through the holes in the side with the 2.5" long bolts and wing nuts provided. Be sure to fasten the bolts and wing nuts securely. Repeat this process with the other three legs until you have four assembled legs. Your TopLine model includes two base frames. First, we're going to assemble the left base frame. From the left mark you made when laying out your banner display, measure 19 inches to the right and make another mark. This is where you will install the left leg of the left base frame. Once you have marked the position for the left leg, screw it into the wall with your power driver and the 1.5" wood screws provided. After driving in one screw, use a level to make sure the leg is plumb. Then drive in the remaining 15 screws. There are 4 for each of the 4 brackets. Here is the left leg fully attached. Now you need to attach the two corner braces to the strongback. They attach at the two centermost holes. You'll need a 3/4" machine screw, 2 washers, and a nylon lock nut for each connection, all provided with the frame. Insert the bolt with the washer through the strongback, add the brace, another washer, and the nut. Only hand tighten for now. Repeat for the second corner brace. Using the same fasteners as you used to attach the corner braces, we're now going to attach the strongback to the left leg. Attach at the 5th hole inward on the strong back to the top hole in the leg. Using your two 5/16" socket wrenches or ratchets, tighten this connection firmly, but not overly tight just yet. Next, attach the remaining leg to the strong back, again at the 5th hole inward from the right, using the same bolt, washers, and nut. Hand tighten only. Then, with one person raising the right leg up and holding it in place, attach the left corner brace to the left leg, using the same bolt, washers, and nuts. Again, hand tighten only. Then, attach the right corner brace to the right leg similarly. With both corner braces attached and continuing to hold the right leg up, screw the right leg to the back of the parapet wall. Be sure to screw all 16 screws into the right leg. Your left base frame should appear as shown here. Now you're going to assemble and install the right base frame. To install the right base frame, begin by measuring a distance of 7 feet 6 inches from the right leg of the left base frame and make a mark. This is where you will fasten the left leg of the right base frame to the parapet wall. From this point, simply repeat the same steps as the video shows for the left base frame. Your right and left base frames should appear as shown here. With both base frames now installed, you are almost done. You are now going to install the live end stop, slide on the center arms, and attach the center arm stops. Next, attach the white plastic live end stop to the strong back. Remove the nut that it ships with, and insert the bolt in the stop through the 3rd hole inward in the strong back. Be sure the little indentation on the stop faces outward. Secure with a nut and tighten with the ratchets. Next, slide a center arm onto the left base frame. It has a sticker indicating which end is the top. Once the arm is on, remove the wing nut from the white cylindrical center arm stop and insert it into the 1st hole in the strong back. Place the bolt through the hole and then tighten with the wing nut. Repeat this process with a center arm and center arm stop on the right base frame. Your double base frame top line is now completely installed and ready for a banner. To see how to install your banners on this frame, please see the next video entitled Installing the Banner TopLine Double Base-Frame Models. If you have any questions or problems regarding this installation, please call us at 800-3-VOXPOP, where an actual live human will answer the phone